welcome to the left side. So we are currently on one Majestic, the Tomo Findle, and 2 rainbow foil equipments, so must be a good right side. And a cross strap, disable, blackout kick, and a foil biting blade. Some nice class cards and dumb blade. When you get like the first Majestic, your patience for like more commons is less. You want more action directly. Scour, Onslaught, Raise Reflex, Slog, Breaking Scales, always looks like a legendary, I think. We have Blessing of Deliverance and a nice Steel Blade Supremacy. Amazing, I need it. I only have one actually. Cutler's Crush, Crush Confidence, Pack Hunt, Crush, Savage Swing, Dragon Blade, Leg Tap, Biting Blade. And of course Adorintia then. Looks nice. This art, the border is really nice. Right, hello, I'm back again, and same video but for you, but for me it's like one day later, 1.5, and at night instead of during lunchtime. So let's finish these boosters up and yeah, see where this box ends. And it's really strange to stop 1 minute in a video, but there we are, and now we are back on track for Biting Blade, class cards. Yeah, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boosters left for this one. Yeah, and I'm in a big sorting, well, I'll say progress now with the big binders and all that, really making like a cohesive structure of all the collection in boxes that I've been keeping, and like trying to figure out how many of each card do I really have, how many do I want to keep, am I gonna sell stuff, yeah, stuff like that. So it's a like preparation for Monarch March, but like trying to like get control of it. Break back that ring and a foil flick flack, nice. And some class cards and a token. Let's see, there we have that. There. Yeah, so I realized I have almost control of my collection, but yeah, I can't really find all cards directly. So maybe it was a good time for me to actually start sorting them for real. Yeah, so it's gonna be like several binders. I feel like if I want to keep like all binders like full with usable cards, that's nice and that's nice. So special super and a Pounding Gale foil, nice. That's a nice pack. Really like this. So nice Bravo build coming up, and yeah, my voice is kind of low because my son is sleeping in the behind my wall here, so try not to wake him because that would be unfortunate. So really nice. That's a great pack. A nice art as well. Like, would love me some foil showtime for sure. That would be Majestic. So Pummel, Brownhide, Flock, Slog, Blessing, Warrior's Valor, and a foil Synchro. Nice. Yeah, and as you can see, it's not the same order since I put it down in the box fast and put it up again fast. That's how we do it. When we're living with small childs, this is not something that my 3-year-old is gonna be allowed to play with. Or at least, well, maybe 5 years, and it's 8, maybe, who knows. So I wrote Beat Down, Fluster, and a foil Barraging Brownhide. So I'm really gonna see how many of the cold foil equipments I got and which crucible crazy foils I have, because I have a hunch I have cards, but I'm not sure, so that's really special. Nice. Forge of War and Overpower. Nice, that's good cards. And some nice class cards. So a lot of specials here. That's great, because like don't have super many of them. Now I have my Forge of Wars, so that's great, at least 3. So I can play a full playset if I would like to. Nice. And I think I have my, well, it's rares, I got them, but my specials are Majestic, not sure. Snapdragon, Stones, Flick Black, and Storm's Wall Confidence foil. Nice class cards, Dorinthia. And the last pack of this late ending for me in this video. So what will you bring? Slog, Battlescape, Strike, Brown-Eyed, Iron Rot, Snatch, Sigil, and Stroke of Foresight. And class cards and a token. So yeah, only 1 Majestic, so that's unfortunate. But we got us some good amount of specials, which is great, and 2 Rainbow Fold equipments. Well, sorry, I got 2 Majestics. I was off Tome and Steelblade, so totally on par, and a lot of specials, which is great, and double cold foil. So that's a good pack and display. So thanks for watching, and see you soon again. Bye.